today is Tuesday, June 10th, 2025. So hump day is tomorrow. My payday is 25th. So I have to wait 15 more days to go. My company, KT, is the leading company in Korea, number one company in Korea when it comes to telecom service and cloud service. So we are number one CSP, right? And we are heavily investing in AI, artificial intelligence, and we formed a strong partnership with Microsoft and Palantir, right? Palantir, right? Palantir. So let's learn more about other competitors, right? Google Gemini. I thought Google Gemini, but both are correct. Google Gemini or Google Gemini, but most of the people pronounce it Google Gemini. So I'm going to pronounce it from now on as Google Gemini. So this one was generated by Google Gemini about itself. So let's find out how accurate it is, both grammatically and semantically. Google Gemini is a family of multimodal AI models, essentially meaning they can understand and generate text, but also understand and process other types of data like images, audio, and video. This allows Gemini to perform tasks like answering questions based on an image, analyzing data to create charts, or even translating natural language to code. Here's a more detailed breakdown of how it works. 1. Multimodal understanding. Gemini is trained to recognize and understand various forms of data simultaneously, including text, images, audio, and more. This allows it to grasp nuanced information and answer complex questions. 2. Learning and training. Pre-training. Gemini models are initially trained on a vast amount of publicly available data. Post-training, further refinement happens. That's a good word, right? Further refinement. Let me remember that. Further refinement happens through supervised fine-tuning, where the model is trained on carefully selected examples of high-quality answers. So first, initially, it is trained on a vast amount of data, right? Then it is trained and fine-tuned on high-quality answers. So further refinement. 3. Response generation. When you give Gemini a prompt, it uses the trained model, the prompt's context, and your interaction to generate several possible responses. It also leverages external sources like Google search, extensions, and uploaded files in Gemini Advanced to refine its answers. What does it mean? I was distracted. I was thinking about my company's strategy about how to form a stronger relationship with Microsoft and sell Microsoft products to our corporate customers. So let me go over this phrase one more time. 3. Response generation. When you give Gemini a prompt, it uses the trained model, the prompt's context, and your interaction to generate several possible responses. It also leverages external sources like Google search, extensions, and uploaded files in Gemini Advanced to refine its answer. So it uses extensions, right? Google Chrome extensions 4. Examples of Gemini's capabilities. Image analysis. You can give Gemini an image and ask questions about it, like what's going on in this picture. Data visualization. Gemini can analyze data and generate charts, graphs, and other visualizations. Text generation. Gemini can write different types of text, like poems, scripts, blog posts, and emails. Very good. Even poems, right? Scripts, blog posts, and emails. Translation. Gemini can translate natural language to code or vice versa. Conversation. You can have a conversation with Gemini, asking questions and receiving responses. Research. Gemini can assist with research by searching the web and summarizing information. Task automation. Gemini can automate tasks on your computer, like opening apps or sending messages. Very good. It's more like RPA, right? Task automation research. 5. Human feedback and evaluation. Gemini's responses are continuously refined through human feedback and evaluation, ensuring that it provides the best possible answers. This video explains what Google Gemini is and how to use it, right? I'll just skip that. So that was just a synopsis, right? That's a good summary. Thanks for listening, and bye-bye.